Hello guys, I want to set you up for some businesses. Remember I told you this year 2024, please run away from Sakwa. As I mean, say make you japa from Sakwa, you understand? So what is there is that if you're a student in the secondary school, choose a special course that you get a job. And if you're already in the university, you are not studying a special course or you are a graduate, please, there are ways you can make money online. I'm telling you, I'm not selling you anything in this video. I'm sincerely telling you from my heart, okay? As a graduate, you can see I'm also a graduate behind me. So assuming I was not into online, I would have been disappointed, okay? Not getting employed. So I've decided from my heart, I've went through a journey in 3 years on how to sell some product online, on how to sell digital product and physical product online. So I will going to be bringing you some some businesses you can easily do online. And if you follow the exactly step I showed you, you are going to make money in few months. Remember I told you the only things you need to learn Facebook ad and Instagram ad, sponsored ad setup. You need to learn just basic graphic and video editing. For the graphic you use Canva. For the video editing, you learn how to edit video just like this one with CapCut. And lastly, how to just design a simple sales funnel. Once you have these 4 skills, I repeat, Facebook ad setup, graphic design with Canva, video editing with CapCut, and basic sales funnel design. You have these things that you just do with your mobile phone as I'm just sitting relaxing. That's how you just going to learn this in your phone, and you do them with your phone. Once you have these things, guys, I'm telling you, there's money for you online, and you will be surprised. Just one product, just like Rema, baby, calm down, this is your body. The guys say the jiji, and so they sing also. As Rema use that song blow, that is how you are going to use one single product to blow online. You understand? So Rema sang a lot of songs before he sang that one. That English correct? He sang a lot of songs. He sang. Forget about that thing. So Rema don't sing many songs. You understand? Before he sing that one, that is how you are going to be picking some product. I'm going to be showing you. Not only the one I show you, can do your own research. Then you will hit one product and you will sell massively, and you are rich. Once you have breakthrough through that one product, I'm telling you, it will be like a movie that, all this I have been wasting my time instead of me to be making money online. So guys, what I'm going to be showing you in this video is that I'm going to show you how to be spying on what are people selling online. You understand? If you know what people are selling online, you don't have to do anything. All you need to do now is that, okay, copy them. Let me say, okay, copy makes sense. So model them. So the first thing is that I'm going to be showing you which kind of product you should sell online. Why? There's a way you spy on people online. Like the product Mr. Ben is making money from. That means that product is selling. So you can sell that same product without doing anything. All you need to do is model Mr. Ben and Miss Ongozi, who are making money from that product. You can just model. So that's a copy. Or model means say those their videos they are using, that same product, that same speech, you understand, you combine them as an idea, you just edit and make your own that similar video. Because if a video is selling online, people like the video, the advert is selling, it means that if you make that same advert, you are going to sell. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to be showing you how to get this product. Just, you don't need to spend money. The only money you are going to be spending is the little money you are going to start running in your ad. As the ad produce more money, advertisement produce more money, you are going to use that same money to be compounded, to be adding more budget to your ad. And in getting this product, you just need to buy one. And you are not buying it to your house. You buy it from the vendor. I'm going to show you how to get vendor from jiji. You just tell the vendor to send it because it is his business. He knows how to send to customer. He will send it on your behalf because you have paid for it. And you collect your money. You understand? So I'm going to show you all those things, okay? So first, let's go to Facebook. But before we go to Facebook, let me show you how you'll be spying on all the product that people are selling online. I want you to give me a like. That is the only contribution you have from me. I'm not selling anything to you in all this series of products I'm going to be bringing to you in 2024. I'm not selling anything to you. I'm just helping you. So to help me back, just give me a comment, give me a like, and share this video so that these Nigeria secondarians that don't know there's no job in Nigeria, and this unemployed graduate that don't know that there is big money online, they will know and know that there is big money online just by sitting in your room. I've done this for 3 years. I have the experience. I've taught people, Nigeria youth. I want to help Nigerian unemployed to start making money, single mothers to start making money, stay at home moms to start making money with this secret. It is a great secret. I'm on my Facebook profile now, as you can see. So what is the secret? For you to know the product that is selling, for you not to bother your head and start reinventing the way. What am I going to write so that people will buy from me? What type of video am I going to create? You don't need to be thinking. Don't exhaust your brain. Just so guys, I just refresh, and what I'm seeing here, this is your timeline, right? Are you seeing this? This is sponsored. This is sponsored ad. And what are these people selling here in this advertisement? They are trying to sell us what? I don't know. I don't know, because I don't want to play any sound now. So I don't know what these people are selling, but I don't want to play any sound now. So this is another sponsored ad. Look, this is a sponsored ad, right? This is a sponsored ad. Why are you seeing this? Do you know these people? Why am I saying it? The reason why I'm actually saying it is because maybe I've searched for something like children gadget, okay? Children gadget. So now that is why Facebook, they are showing me, because Facebook algorithm understand what you are searching online. That is what they think you are interested in. So now if I want to sell this product, children gadget, all I need to do is that I will come to this search bar from my Facebook. All I need to do is go to my search bar and search children educational tablet. Okay, so once you search for children educational tablet, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be joining some of this group because I'm interested in the product, and I'm going to be liking some of these groups. Anything children education like this is sponsored, I will click on like. I will like it. So I will click on like. I will like it. Why am I liking it, guys? I'm liking them so that Facebook algorithm, I want to tell Facebook algorithm that I'm interested in this business. So what Facebook will do now, when I go back to my timeline, I will refresh. Facebook algorithm will understand that this guy, because I engage with children educational tablet, Facebook will understand that this guy is actually interested in this thing. So people that are running ad on those products, Facebook will start showing me their sponsored advertisement. Do you understand what I'm saying? So now in doing that, you will see everybody, most of the ad that are going on Facebook and on Facebook about children educational tablet, Facebook will start showing you. And what is your interest? Your interest is to see if they are actually selling. How do you know if they are selling? Look at this sponsored ad about educational tablet. You see this is sponsored. You see this is sponsored ad from this person, Wow Gadget. So this is sponsored ad. Are you seeing it? So now for you to know if people are actually buying this product from these people, so all you're gonna do is that you see, look at the engagement, the likes, the comment, the views. So this is a new ad, basically does not have much engagement here, but the comment you can see is quite much. So you can keep searching. The next thing, you keep refreshing. Immediately you like, join some of those groups, you keep refreshing your timeline so that you'll be seeing more of those educational tablet. Okay, so as you are scrolling on your Facebook timeline, you will be seeing more of these guys, okay, that are selling that educational tablet. So in doing that, what do you want to achieve is that you combine all the things they are saying, the kind of videos they are using, the kind of primary text. This is what we call primary text. For those who don't know about advertisement, this is what we call primary text. Go and study my Facebook ad, you learn all these things. Okay, so you see the primary text they are using, you see the prices they are using, you see the type of video or images they are using. That is it. So all you got to do now is that you find the one that has more of the comment, more of the share, like 2 or 3 of it. Then those type of videos they use, those are the type of videos you should be using. Those type of text they use in their primary, that is the type of text you should be using. Those type of ad, campaign headline, this is what we call campaign headline here. Those are the type of headline. I did not say this should be exactly, but model them, combine the 3 best one you find, and boom, you have your own. So why do you have to think on what to write? Why do you have to think on the type of video you should make the type of video they make? It's as easy as that. You understand? Some of these videos they show their face, some of these videos they don't show their face, they show their product and their natural voice. So if you find out that the product, the ad that has most engagement, like the three top ad that have most engagement in three educational tablet, is the ones that they use their natural voice and the product images and the product videos, then do that. Do as same. So you don't have to read it very well. And guys, the next thing you got to do now is I'm going to show you how, because you already have the ad copy, the ad video, you know what to do already. We are done with this. So the next thing is that, okay, now how do I get this product? Because I want to run this ad just like these people are running. So how do I get this product? So I'm going to show you how to get this product for free. Give me a like and a thumb. Okay, give me a like, thumb, and subscribe, share. All right, so let's go. Let me take you to Jiji on my phone. All right, so now let's go, guys. I'm taking you to Jiji, Nigeria. Yeah, here is the bomb. I'm going to drop the bomb now. Okay, how to get product for free. Haha. So now when you are Jiji, guys, your Jiji app, just download Jiji app from your Play Store or Apple Store. And now what do we want to find? We are looking for children educational tablet, right? So now we go. Make sure you have already taken the models that people are selling. Most of the model they design, they are selling from Facebook. Okay, so then you come here, you go to mobile phone, and now let's search children educational tablets. Yeah, let's go for the search, man. Let's go. All right, boom, guys, we have it. So guys, you can see we are having numerous stores in Jiji. You have numerous stores. Make sure you are searching from the entire Nigeria. So here now you can see these are children educational tablet from this store. If you click the store will open for you. This is another store with children educational tablet, and you can see the price difference, right? So what you're gonna do here, let me just be quick, I don't want this video to be too long. What you're gonna do here is that you make sure you keep scrolling, you enter each of these stores, so that you find out the model. Remember, you have picked the model of the tablet you want to sell, the particular model that you want to sell based on what you see, or different model, maybe 3 model or 4. So you enter these stores, you will find the one that is cheaper. In Jiji, different prices, same product, different prices from different stores. So the one that you find out that is more cheaper, that is the vendor, the distributor that you are going to contact. Most of them, they are in Lagos. So because that is where the distributors are. Okay, so you contact this vendor and you just send a simple message to this vendor. Hello, I'm Zakat Opportunities Niche. I'm online marketing professional, and I saw your product online, and I saw your product from Jiji store, and you are selling this product at this price. So what is the last price? This guy will tell you the last price. You now say, okay, I'm a professional Facebook ad advertiser. I want to run ads to your store. I want to be selling your product. But because I'm going to be using money to run this particular ad, I want you to give me a huge discount, because I'm going to be spending money to run ad, but people will be coming to your store to buy. So I want this tablet that you have agreed your last price is for 5,000 naira. I want you to give me at 40,000 naira, so that the 5,000 naira will be for my advertisement, because I will be bringing massive customers. Okay, so this person is going to give you special discount, I'm telling you. So now you now tell him the time of agreement, that okay, since he's selling online, so you'll be sending people from online. So when you have a buyer, you cannot go pick the product image. He will give you the product specification. You pick the product specification, go and set up the ad, just like those people on Facebook set up their ad. And once you set up this ad, this advertisement, it starts running. When you get your order, you come and order from here. You send him the money, just the 40,000 naira you guys have agreed, and you give him the address of the buyer that order from you. This man here we send the product to that person. So if he's pay on delivery that you did, tell this your vendor that okay, this person you are sending to, despite you have paid for the product, the person need to pay. So it should be based on pay on delivery. So if he's pay before delivery, that is your choice. Okay, so you can always start with pay on delivery, because most of these they jiji GIG logistic, they have offices in most of the states now. So you tell the vendor that is pay on delivery that the customer have not paid. Okay, you just use the money to pay on ground. So the product will be in GG office, and the customer will go there, they will collect the money on your behalf and send to you guys. That is just it. What I just show you now, with mouth, it just be like you feel like, okay, it's just cheap information. It's not cheap. I'm telling you, it's not cheap, guys. I'm telling you, this thing I just told you is not cheap. Okay, so stop watching this video now, go to the beginning of this video, start watching it again, and be implementing one-on-one. So for those of you who don't know how to, you need 4 basic skills for these things. Facebook advertisement, go to my YouTube channel, click on the name Opportunities Niche on YouTube channel, search Opportunities Niche on YouTube channel, click on the name on Opportunities Niche, go to playlist, you will see Facebook advertisement course. So also among these videos you'll be watching to learn how to set up ads, you might join my Telegram free class where I have live meeting from A to Z on how to set up ad. You can learn from YouTube A to Z, or you can learn from the Telegram. That is one. Video editing, also click, you see video editing. You see I've made a lot of tutorial on YouTube on video editing. Then Canva design, you will see it's only sales funnel. I'm not a sales funnel designer, because myself I pay people to just do it for me. For you, you might not decide, because it's easy to design a sales funnel. You might not have the money. Just learn it for yourself by searching on YouTube how to design a simple sales funnel for that product. And when you learn it now, when you learn those things, you don't have to be thinking how will you going to design it. Just like from the Facebook, when you click on those ads we have searched on, it will open the sales funnel for you. So that sales funnel, you just, since you know how to design it now, you model it. If you don't want to design it yourself, pick that one and find somebody who can design sales funnels for you. It's very cheap, 10,000, 15,000, they will do one for you. If you don't know, if you reach that stage, contact me. I will show you my team, some people that know how to design sales funnel. Among people I've taught Facebook ad and all those video editing stuff. Among my trainees, they will do it for you. Okay, so guys, you don't have to contact me, or just learn it on YouTube and do these things yourself. Okay, remember, I'm Zach at Opportunities Niche. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Share this video wherever you are watching it. I'm going to bring the next hot product to you. Yeah, you're gonna make money this year, guys.